What's up, folks? Welcome back to the Rust Garage. I'm working with the backdoor of 145. If you have watched my earlier video, you know that it's still missing, and it's I need it for the MOT. There is some rust issues. It won't be perfect after this welding, but it should be okay. I'm just fixing the frame of the rear window, and there's some rust issues there, but I hope after that the car will hold the water outside. And now I have the new windscreen seal also, so now the water should keep out. But after the intro I will show you more. My tools are all over, like in the garage they sometimes are. I have been already doing some welding. There was a quite big hole here in this corner down here. It's almost ready. I noticed there's a few small holes. I will just weld them and grind them again. Then this should be okay. I think in some points I don't weld. I use only the acid to remove the rust, like this corner here. There's a healthy metal here, so it doesn't need welding. But for example here you can see there's some pieces missing, so I will do a new piece around here. And then some acid here. There I think I will do a small piece there and here. And these parts I just I will use only the acid here and then repaint it. There is new piece needed here. And to here I have already made a new piece, quite long one. I'm using two metal and like they are originally, and I just weld them on the top together and from both sides to the door. So after grinding and paint you won't even notice that there's a new piece in here. I'm not a professional welder, so it is what it is, but I think it's okay. I will grind after welding the frame and sand it, and then first paint and then filler, I think, if I found one in my shelf, and then I will finish it with the right color. Well, there will be some spots in this rear door, but I don't mind. It's not a beauty, but it works. And I also noticed that here is some rust issues, but I will use only the acid and repaint it. So after that, it should be okay. But I continue the welding, and I'll let you know soon what I have achieved. As many of you know, these rust things, they take a little bit time. But I haven't found any big surprises, which is very nice. Usually when I'm doing these rust repairs, there's always something I have missed, and then I found it. But now I have fixed that spot there, and that's ready. And I have now a few spots ready. I have cleaned and cut these, and there's 3 and 4 of the pieces of that frame that I have to make and then weld and grind. And after that it's ready for small sanding, and the first layer of paint, then some filler, and well, before the first paint I will use the acid to remove all the rust there is, and after that the first layer of paint, and then filler, and the last layer of paint. So after that it should be okay in this phase. There is some places that I should fix, or actually this is not in perfect condition, this back door, or rear door. The wisest thing would be buy a new one, but this goes at this point, because this is not gonna be any restoration project. But I'll get back to you after I have finished those welds. fabrication finished or welding and grinding. I think it's quite okay. There's one place, second, third, fourth, I don't even, yeah, there, fifth, sixth, and I think six, yeah. And well, it's not perfect, but I think it will work because nobody sees that because it's behind the gasket and the window. And next I will clean a little bit in the garage, and after that I will put the acid to get rid of all the rust there might still be. I'm using this kind of phosphor acid which I got from a local hardware store, and 85%. Sorry, there's only Swedish and Finnish, but I will use the brush and let it be a few hours, and I hope that I will get rid of most of the rust in this area. First I will put it on this side, and then I will turn the door upside down and do it that also in the other side. Well, I still have some issues here, but I will do those later because now I'm just focusing the window area. And okay, I put some acid also here in the joint areas to get rid of the most of the rust. But I will put my camera on stand so you will see how I do this. Now there is acid everywhere. As you can see, there's a lot of rust in this back door, and even the frame of the gasket is gone in some places. But I hope that the acid will do its job and prevents this back door not to rust quickly. And there you can see there's a lot of rust. And in this corner, when I rescued this car, there was a battery in that corner, and I think that old battery has caused that damage there. And there's also, you can see I have put them new patch. There's a new metal inside, so it was also through from the surface. But nowadays you can't notice that outside. But now I let it affect overnight, and in next video I will do the primer thing and the painting job. Yes, finally I proceeded with this back door. It has been waiting there in the corner a long time, and finally I did it. And actually it took only a few hours to make the welding and grinding, and now I let it dry for a night, and I will continue maybe not tomorrow but in few days. But I'm happy this goes on, and because it's not possible to do the MOT without the back door. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and comments down below. That would be great. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now it's a perfect time to do that, and also ring the bell. Thank you very much, and see you soon.